Next, a theater is in the town is built in form of a kite. So this is a kite. Kite means two adjacent sides equal, means two pairs of adjacent sides equal. Then its perimeter is 100 meters. Total of all sides is 100 meters. If one of its sides is 20 meters, then what is the length of the other side? Here, one is 20. Now this I have taken as 20. Somebody can take the longer side as 20 also. And the other side is x. So one is 20, so other will be 20, right? So two adjacent sides 20 20. Length of other sides, so let them be x. This be x and this be x. So perimeter means what? Total of all the sides. So 20 plus 20 plus x equals to 100, right? In the kite, adjacent sides are always equal, means two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Okay, so 20 plus x, add this 40 and 2x and 40 over here 60, 2x over here 30, x equals to 30. So the two sides are, this is 30 and this is 30. So what are the four sides? So 30, 20, 20, 30. You want the length of the other side is 30. Okay. Next is state true or false. Every rectangle is a trapezium. What is the condition of trapezium? So one pair of opposite sides is parallel. So one pair should be parallel. Is it so in rectangle? One pair is parallel. In fact, both the sides are both the pairs are parallel. So this condition of one pair of opposite sides is parallel is satisfied in the rectangle, right? That's why every rectangle is a trapezium. That's true. But reverse is not true. A quadrilateral can be drawn if all the four